then you can discuss with Mateus if that you need additional support for the planning side, because I know that this morning you already spoke with Damian how it's going to be in terms of logistics, how you're going to manage to migrate all the warehouses and how we used to manage the material flow, let's say. But now that here we have Mateus, maybe he can give us guidance how to proceed with the also from planning and production side, let's say. I will have to leave you guys, but we put it then to discuss the HLA project. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Mateusz.
Hello, guys. Okay, so tell me what we have to do, because as I hear that you already sorted the logistic topics. So what we
Let's say more or less, Julio need to prepare the Excel file for Damian, and then we'll move everything to the ACS. But of course, that will be some discrepancies because we are still not opening the work orders. So after a few weeks, it will be some changes. And right now we are, finding the solution how to open and manage the work orders. Because on the line maintenance, we are doing on a little bit different way. We are not make, for example, some orders from the mechanic panel. We are just sending emails to the customer, and when we receive the part, we are putting to the warehouse, and then mechanic is marking in the ACS that he already used this part of tool, okay? So right now I'm trying to remind myself when exactly I was added me to the warehouse, for example, to be able to see what we have in the warehouse, because I remember that was some blockade, and the mechanics or other person was required to be added to have option to modify the work order.
Yes. So, but anyway, you are going to use the mechanic panel, right?
Yes, but in a different way.
Yeah, the different way. Basically, it would be very similar way. Let me open, guys, the ACS, and I will share my screen so we can go through.
Julio, I already found the option how to add the warehouse to the work order, so it's okay. But let's see the mechanic panel.
Yeah, let me open. Yes, just guys, to pre-alert you, it may happen that I will need to leave you because I have some emergency situation, and any minute can appear in my doors the guy who need to fix my house.
Okay.
But as of now, yeah, we can proceed. Until he's not appearing, then we can do our stuff. It's opening, ACS is opening for me, but today is like very especially slow, even from the Azure server. Interesting. I need to open the test version.
Because, Mateusz, we need to keep in mind that not all our bases have the storekeepers, right? So most of the station is working only by mechanics. So they need to be able to add required tools to the work order.
Yeah, I need to remind it also myself, but we can do it together.
I was always normally using the ACS.
Yeah, it was quite a long
doing
time ago.
everything by myself. And right now, warehouse settlement in the work order, I already managed how to do it. And I'm trying to add, for example, one pin to the work order.
Okay, let me share my screen. I see you already add some project here, which is for
Yes.
Alicante, I guess.
Yes, we need to agree how we will name our project. You are
That
using
one.
the base maintenance, heavy tech, or what?
Here is the project which we have is, yeah, that one. MID heavy maintenance. This is how we are using the projects. So I believe you can either use it as per base, but I believe then you're going to have like many of bases.
Yes, so we can
Oh.
make it like Alicante line maintenance 2025, 2026.
Yeah, some in that way, but I would recommend you also to contact with Mateusz Podgórski as he will advise you the best way for settlement for him also. Because I believe they're going to use it for the settling the cost also.
Mhm.
But for me, it's like as will be suitable for you, you can do that. For us, it's better to have the one base and heavy maintenance. So, for example, if we're going to have another base, then it will be another base heavy maintenance.
Yeah, for sure, we always split the bases, but I will confirm with Mateusz. I would like to have the similar names, to have the capital letters everywhere, to have, on the same way how you are managing.
Yeah, just
But
to be
okay.
indicated, right? Okay, so we have one work order already.
Yes,
Yeah,
and we
and
always
here is-
added, yes, line maintenance, open it, as you can see, and work to be performed, we always added here.
In the SLMs, yeah.
Yes, exactly. If it's an NRC,